dependent, independent.
Okay. Have we discussed about properties of axioms? I think no. There are 5 properties of axioms. The first property is probability of null set is 0. Null set is nothing but impossible event or uncertain event. Second property is the probability of A, it is equals to 1 minus of probability of A complement. And probability is always less than or equals to 1. For example, if probability of A bar is 0, then P of A is 1. The maximum value is 1. If P of A bar is not equal to 0, then you will get 1 minus some value. So it is point something, 0.1, 0.2 like that. So in that case, it is less than or equals to 1. And third property, it is applied on the events on the subtraction, A minus B or B minus A. So P of A minus B is nothing but P of A minus P of A intersection B. P of B minus A equals to P of B minus P of A intersection B. We will prove this. And fourth event, you know this, probability of A union B equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Let us see one special case. If A intersection B is null set, means A and B are mutually exclusive. In that case, this probability becomes 0. Then this probability of union is nothing but P of A plus P of B. So you get maximum value. If P of A intersection B is not equal to 0, definitely this value is less than or equal to P of A plus P of B. We are comparing with P of A plus P of B. When P of A intersection B is equal to 0, is not equal to 0. If it is 0, you get P of A plus P of B. If it is not 0, then it is less than or equal to P of A plus P of B. And the fifth one, B is subset of A. B is subset of A. Then the probability of A is nothing but the probability of B plus probability of AB bar. Here also we can apply AB, if AB bar are mutually exclusive, this PAB bar is 0. Then you get, then the minimum probability is P of B. Okay. If P of AB is not equal to 0, definitely this P of A is more than P of B. Let us see the proofs. So anyway, this is null set. Uh, Impossible event. So let us see this one. So in the second case, in the second property, there are only 2 events, A and A complement. Okay. Union of all the events, all possible events gives what? What is
Samples.
the sample space? So let us write S equals to A union A complement. Okay. A union A complement. Now, please tell me A and A complement or A and A complement. These two are mutually exclusive or not? Am I right?
Yes,
Are
correct.
mutually exclusive. Now let us use axiom 3. So when you apply axiom 3, we get P of S equals to P of A plus P of B. Okay. Now come someone tell me what is P of S?
One, sir.
Probable.
is 1. Okay, it is 1. Yeah. Now, if we apply the probability of S is 1, we get 1 equals to P of A plus P of A bar. Now, so what we have to prove? P of A is equals to 1 minus, you isolate P of A, that gives us 1 minus P of A bar. Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Okay. Yes. What is the third one? Can someone read the third property? Can someone read the third property? Anyone?
P of A and B is equals to P of A.
Okay. P of A union B equals to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection.
B.
No, I think it's not the third one. Third one is A minus B. Excuse me. Yes. So for events A and B, P A minus B equal to P A minus P A intersection B, or P B minus A equal to P B minus P A intersection B. Right. Now we should use this Venn diagram concept. Okay. We have to use Venn diagram concept. How to do this? What you have to find? Let us use the first one. Let us prove this one. Okay, let us prove this one. Can someone give me an idea? If you clearly observe, first let us observe the events. Can someone tell me what are the events here in this expression? What are the events? Please interact.
A and B are events.
A and B.
A and B are the events. Events. A minus B is one event. I asked you what are the events in this expression. Always remember that the probability is applied on event. Probability అనేది ఒక ఈవెంట్ మీద అప్లై చేస్తాం. ఈ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ చూడండి, ప్రాబిలిటీ దేని మీద అప్లై అయింది? A
A
minus B.
minus B.
అంటే A minus B is one event.
A.
A is one event. Okay.
A intersection B.
A and A intersection B. Okay, these are the events. Now can someone give me relation among these three? ఈ మూడింటి మీద ఏమైనా రిలేషన్ ఉందా? Go to Venn diagram. Where is A minus B? This shaded region, right? A minus B is shaded region. A intersection B అనేది ఏది? కామన్ ఏరియా కదా, అవునా కదా?
Yes, sir.
ఈ రెండింటిని యాడ్ చేస్తే, యునైట్ చేస్తే వాట్ యు గెట్? ఏ మైనస్ బిని ఏ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ బిని యునైట్ చేస్తే వాట్ యు గెట్?
A.
So that is the relation among these three. So let us write that A equals to, okay, A equals to A minus B. Can we write as AB bar? We can write AB bar, right?
Yes, sir.
A B bar. Next, union AB, right? అంతేనా?
AB bar అంటే ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ B bar సార్.
AB bar అంటే A minus B. ఏది దేనికైతే బార్ అప్లై చేస్తామో దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ మైనస్ B. If you are writing A bar, this, if you are writing B minus A, you write B A bar. Okay. Any doubt? Now, what is the relation among AB bar and AB? What is the relation between AB and AB bar? What is the relation among these two? Between these two? See this Venn diagram. This is AB bar and this is AB. What is the relation?
A, sir.
Mutual
Exclusive.
Mutual exclusive.
Mutually exclusive. Now when they are mutually exclusive, we can use axiom 3. Okay. So according to that, we can write P of A is equals to P of AB bar plus AB. Okay. So finally, what do you want? PAB bar, right? AB bar is nothing but A minus B. PAB bar is equals to PA minus B is equals to, tell me what is that? PA minus PAB. So anyhow, very simple proof. Any doubt in this? I'll explain you again. Yes. So from the given expression, I understand that A minus B, A and A intersection B are the events. And I also understand that there is some relation among these three. What is the relation? A equal to A B bar union AB. And we know that AB bar and AB are mutually exclusive. Anyway, we are applying union operation. So we can use third axiom. So just apply the probability on both sides of this expression. Then we get PA equal to PAB bar plus PAB. So finally, what we want? PAB bar. AB bar is nothing but A minus B. So that's equal to PA minus PB. Okay. Now let us prove this one. How to prove this? Same analogy. Same analogy. What are the events? What are the events here?
B minus A,
Anyone?
B, A intersection.
B minus A,
B
B A intersection.
B.
Now, what is the relation among these three? So, B minus A is where? B minus A is this one, right? I'm showing the cursor on the Venn diagram. This is B minus A. Okay. And A intersection B is this one. If you add these two, then you get B. So that is the relation. So B equals to
B minus A plus A intersection.
B minus A means, how can we write it as? A bar B. Can we write A bar? Minus A can be written as A bar B union AB. This is the relation. Now, here this A bar B and AB are mutually exclusive. Now this time I'm writing in another way. A bar B intersection AB. Now tell me, what is this? A bar B intersection AB is equal to what?
Null set.
Null. So, mutually exclusive. Right. Now let us use axiom 3. Okay. So according to the axiom, we can apply the probability on that. So it gives us PB is equals to P A bar B plus P AB. So finally, what we want? A minus B. So let us write the final expression. P B minus A is nothing but P A bar B, that's equals to PB minus PAB. This is the final expression. So any doubt in this proof? Any doubt in this proof? I hope you are copying parallelly. Shall I give some time to copy? If you have any doubt, please ask me now. I'm giving 2 minutes to copy.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, third line law A is equals to AB bar union AB, sir. AB A intersection B, sir.
Multiplication is nothing but intersection. The other names.
ఓకే సార్ అంటే మొన్న మళ్ళీ యూనియన్
Multiplication.
సార్ మీరు ఏబి అని రాసుకోవచ్చు అని
ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ ని మల్టిప్లికేషన్ గా రాసుకోవచ్చు, యూనియన్ ని అడిషన్ గా రాసుకోవచ్చు.
ఓకే సార్
Okay, let us move to the other property. Yes. So, can someone read the property? Fourth one.
Probability of A union B equals to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B less than or equals to probability of A plus probability of B.
Okay, very good. Now, just now we have seen some relations. Okay. Now we have to find A union B. First, let us find what is A union B event. Okay. So, can we write this as A plus A bar B? A plus A bar B.
Yes,
Let
sir.
me go to this Venn diagram. So this is A. Where is A bar B? This one. Similarly, we can write A union B as B plus AB bar. Okay. This A union B equal to B alone plus A minus B. Otherwise, A union B equals to A plus A alone plus A bar B. Okay. And these two are mutually exclusive, right? A and A bar B. A and A bar B are mutually exclusive. Okay. Then use axiom 3. So what it gives? P A union B is equals to PA plus, what is that? P A bar B. Let us say this is equation 1. Okay. Just now we have seen part is P A bar B. What is that? P A bar B? This one. Otherwise, you have to prove this. Okay. We know just now we have proved this. P B minus here, P A bar B is equals to this. Okay. So P A union B equals to, okay.
Voice is not audible, sir.
Not audible. Wait. Now is it audible now?
Yes, sir.
Here I use just a simple concept. A union B is equals to A plus A intersection B. Sorry, A bar B. A bar intersection B. Okay. So we also know that A and A bar B are mutually exclusive. So we can use axiom 3. According to that, P A union B equal to P A plus P A bar B. In the last property, we have proved that PAB A bar B equals to PB minus PAB. That only I substituted here. Okay. You can also prove other way. How? A union B equals to B plus AB bar. Can I prove in that way? I would like to write A union B equal to B plus AB bar. B and AB bar are mutually exclusive. And P AB bar equals to same, PA minus PAB. In that way also you can prove. Okay. Any doubt in this? Is it over? Is the proof over? Something is there? మనం ఇక్కడ వరకే ప్రూవ్ చేస్తాం. వాట్ అబౌట్ దిస్? We have to prove that it is less than PA plus PB. Okay. So if A intersection B, okay, if A intersection B is equals to null set, okay, then P A intersection B is 0. Then what do you get? Then what it gives? P A union B. P A union B equals to what? You'll get a maximum value, right? PA plus PB. If this is not, if this is not 0, not null set, okay, not null set, not null, then this A intersection B probability is not equals to 0. Then it is P A intersection B. And if you compare this, definitely this A union B, P A union B less than or equals to, am I right? It is less than or equals to, okay. You are comparing the A union B with PA plus PB. Something is subtracted from this, then definitely it is less than. This value is A union B is less than PA plus PB. Okay, this way you have to explain. Okay. Just copy it. The last proof. So how to prove this? So B subset of A. B is subset of A. Now can someone tell me what is A intersection B?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, my friends are complaining that they are not understanding in this way, sir. టైప్ చేస్తూ చెప్పమంటున్నారు.
Sorry.
అంటే ఇక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ స్క్రీన్ మీద ఉంటే వాళ్ళకి అర్థం కావట్లేదు సార్, టైప్ చేస్తూ చెప్పమంటున్నారు.
రాయమంటున్నారా టైప్ చేయమంటారా?
సార్ రాసుకుంటే చెప్పండి సార్, అలా అసలు మాకు అర్థం ఐడియా రావట్లేదు సార్.
Actually, I do not have pen tablet. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I'll try to get pen tablet.
ఎస్ సార్.
Okay. Thanks for sharing your opinion. Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please adjust for this day. I did not bring my pen tablet. Yeah. Where we are now? Shall I explain all this? First, let me explain this Venn diagram concept. Okay. These two are the two events A and B. This is A minus B, or this is also can be written as AB bar. Okay. And this is B minus A. This can be also written as A bar B. Okay. Am I clear? And this part is A intersection B or AB. Okay. This is a Venn diagram. Fine. Any doubt in this? Please share your. Please talk to me. Can someone show me where is A union B complement? I want A union B.
Sir, outside, sir.
Universe.
Hmm. Outside A and B. Now, A union B complement can be written as A bar intersection B bar. Am I right? If you understand this Venn diagram, you can easily understand. You can prove any properties easily. Any doubt in this? A minus B, B minus A, AB, and A union B complement, or indirectly A bar, B bar. Now let us write some conclusions from this. Can I write A equals to A union B equals to can I write A union B is equals to, it is A, this way, A plus the remaining one. I'm writing A plus this one. Okay. A plus this. Okay. A plus A bar B. Understand this? A union B equals to A alone plus A bar B. Similarly, can you write A union B as in another way in terms of B plus, now this time it is B plus this one. What is this?
AB bar.
AB bar. Okay. Now, just now we have proven property. Apply probability on this. What we get? P A union B is equals to PB plus P AB bar. Okay, because B and AB bar are mutually exclusive. And we have already proved that A B bar is nothing but PA minus PAB. Substitute this here, we get P A union B is equals to PA plus PB minus PAB. Okay, you understand this Venn diagram, how we are writing, then it is easy to prove any property. Now coming to the fifth property, if B is subset of A, then we have to prove that the PA is equals to PB plus P AB bar. Further, it is greater than equals to PB. And greater than equals to ante, if PAB bar is 0, the minimum value is PB. If PAB bar is not 0, then you get PAB plus 0.1 or 0.2 plus 1. So if you compare PA and PB, when AB bar is not 0, definitely PA is greater than PB. Okay. Now, let me give you some example. A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. B equals to 1, 2, 3. Now, is B subset of A?
Yes, sir.
B is subset of A. Now, I want to know what is A intersection B. What is A intersection B? 1, 2, 3. Is it not equals to B? A intersection B equals to 1, 2, 3. And that's equals to B only. So what I want to tell is, when B is subset of A intersection B equals to B. A intersection B equals to B. Now, in the proof, there is a relation among A, B, AB bar. So I want to use AB and AB bar. I want to write A as AB intersection AB bar. I want to use AB bar because this AB bar should be in the final expression. So I have to use AB bar event. I want to use AB bar event. And why I am using AB means AB is nothing but B only, because B is subset of A. So AB and AB bar, what is the relation? Oh, sorry, I wrote wrong here. This is union. AB union AB bar. So if you combine this AB and AB bar, that gives us A only. And AB and AB bar are mutually exclusive. Am I right? AB intersection AB bar is null set. Let us use axiom 3. So what we get? PA is equals to PAB plus PAB bar. Okay. So further PA equals to PAB is nothing but PB only, right? AB is nothing but B only. Just now we have seen A intersection B equals to B only. So PB plus PAB bar. Okay, any doubt in this? Any doubt in this proof? From Monday, I will use a pen tablet. Any doubt in this?
Sir, from Monday, online classes only, sir, again.
No, యాక్చువల్గా మేబీ ఇంకా డిసిషన్ రాలేదమ్మా. యాక్చువల్ అయితే ఆఫ్లైన్ క్లాస్లో ఉండాలి. ఆఫ్లైన్ అయితే ఇంకా ఈజీ, యూ కెన్ యూస్ బోర్డ్. ఓకే, దీన్నే నేను ఎగ్జామ్లో ఎలా అడగొచ్చు అంటే ఏ సబ్సెట్ ఆఫ్ బి, then what we have to prove? If A is subset of B, what we have to prove? Can someone tell me?
P of B equal to P of A plus P of A bar B, sir.
P of A bar. మీరు అది నోట్ చేసుకోండి. అంతే.
Sir, A bar B ना A B bar है sir?
A bar B.
Okay, sir.
A bar B. So independent events we have discussed, right? అవునా? ఇండిపెండెంట్ ఈవెంట్స్ లో ఒక ప్రాబ్లం సాల్వ్ చేసామా మనం? If A and B are independent events, prove that A bar B are also independent and A and B bar also independent, A bar and B bar also independent. మూడు అయిపోయినాయా? నాకు ఇది ఒకటి అవ్వలేదని గుర్తుంది. A bar and B bar also independent. I think that is not completed. Please check it once. We have to prove that A bar and B bar are also independent. And what we have to prove? A bar intersection B bar. We have to, what event we have to consider to prove independence? Intersection, right? A bar B bar independent prove cheyalante we have to use intersection operation. Now A bar intersection B bar is nothing but A union B bar A union B whole complement, right? Okay, avuna kada? A bar intersection B bar equals to A union B complement. Now let us come to this Venn diagram. I'm going to consider A union B and A union B whole complement. If I add these two, A union B and A union B complement, what it gives? I'm going to unite A union B union A union B complement. What is the result of this? A union B union A union B complement.
Sample space total, sir.
Yes, sample space. Okay, and A union B intersection A union B complement, what it is?
Null, sir.
Then we can use third axiom. So P A union B plus P A union B whole complement is equals to 1. Okay, so P A union B. Okay, already we know that P and A union B, what is that? We know the formula of P A union B. What is that? PA plus PB
PAB
minus
minus PAB.
PAB. Okay, plus P A union B complement. Okay, finally we have to
Sir, we
put
can write 1
that-
minus PB. That also, sir, I think.
yes. So let us move this P A union B whole complement to one side. Okay, then we get these are all minus, right? Let me write other ways. P A union B complement equals to 1 minus, I am writing directly, minus PA minus PB minus PAB. 1 minus PA is nothing but PA bar, right? Minus PB. Already said that A and B are independent. Then we can write it as PA PB. So it is PA bar. You can take PB common. Then what it leaves? If you take PB
A
common,
bar,
it
sir. P
gives.
of A bar, sir. 1 minus P of A, P of A bar.
So 1 minus PA is nothing but PA bar. And you can take PA bar common.
PA bar into PB bar, sir.
Yes. So finally we get PA bar into PB. Okay, 1 minus PB is nothing but PB bar. Okay. So copied up. Yeah. Anyway, thanks for sharing your opinion. Otherwise, నేను ఇలాగే కంటిన్యూ చేసేవాడిని.
Many students message me, sir. That's the reason I said.
Yeah, you have to share your opinion. Otherwise, అదే కంటిన్యూ అయితే చాలా తర్వాత ప్రాబ్లమ్స్.
So unit 1 notes upload చేస్తారా సార్ క్లాస్ రూమ్ లో?
చేస్తాను.